Part of our Hammer Time series, this morning we're taking a look at a project from the team at Virtuoso Builders. And this one has a kitchen that is truly a remodel work of art.
Hi, I'm Mike.
And I'm Molly.
With Virtuoso Builders here in San Antonio, Texas, and welcome to another edition of
Hammer Time.
So we are in a kitchen that we've been to, I think, a couple of times. This might be our third time now, and a lot has happened since then. I don't even think cabinets were in. We've installed cabinets, countertops, appliances, backsplash, flooring, some trim work, and even some plumbing as well. So quite a lot has gone on in the last 4 to 6 weeks or so.
It's very important to plan your space, especially in your kitchen, even in any room that you're going to remodel, but especially with the kitchen, because you want to understand what that layout is going to be, how it's going to function for you. So if you don't plan it ahead of time, it won't matter what selections that you pick out. They could be the most beautiful selections, but then it would just be an unsuccessful plan and the layout won't work. A lot of people have a hard time thinking that they don't know what their style is. So what we do is we have a style file that we coordinate with our clients, as we did in this project here. And it starts out with just what's in here and inspirational images, and then kind of getting it all into one concentrated place. So when we start looking at those images, in this project there were magazine photos, pictures from all around online searches, and we always see a common theme. So you may not know what your style is, but I promise you, you have one, it's there, and what we do is we extract the common theme from the style file.
And in here, it's more of a traditional style. So this will probably be the last time we're going to do a video here on this particular project. The next one we do will be on another one, but we're real close to wrapping up. So if you want to see what this looks like after it's all done and there aren't blankets covering things up and everything's adjusted, then please go to our website and you can check out the final photos for this magnificent kitchen, pantry, laundry expansion that we did.
And for more information on Virtuoso Builders, take a look at your screen. They're here in San Antonio on Blanco Road. They work by appointment only, so do give them a call to set up a consultation at 210-525-8750. You can also find out more at virtuosobuilders.com.